Sometimes we notice that even after following a strict diet and doing enough physical activities, our body still looks a little puffy. Now, this could be water retention. However, let me clarify that this type of water retention is not a medical condition. This is the kind of water retention that you may face during your weight loss process. It is basically a layer covering your abs, hips, and thighs that won't seem to disappear no matter how little you eat or how much exercise you do. The major reason for this kind of water retention is calorie deficit, and in many cases a large calorie deficit. Doing large amounts of exercise and particularly large amounts of cardio can chronically elevate cortisol levels, which may lead to not losing weight for several weeks. When you start keeping a note of the food you are taking, you will realize that your potassium intake was generally low and that sodium intake was all over the place. You were also probably not drinking enough water. You can get a fair amount of water through the food you eat, but that might not be enough now that you know you can work on consciously maintaining the fluid balance of your body. Drink sufficient water, watch on your sodium intake. That is, avoid excess consumption of processed food, do not over-exercise, and take cellulose along with or after your meals. Thrice every day, cellulose has corn cells as an active ingredient, which is a norm known as the natural diuretic, which means it helps to maintain the fluid balance in your body by excreting excess fluid from the body.